Next we will solve question number 5 of exercise 7.2. Listen what the question is. Okay. Question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Means question is asking to find the ratio of the division of line segment joining the 2 points whose coordinates are given A and B. Okay, and the coordinates and also the coordinates of point of division. First of all, what we will assume in this question, let the required ratio be k:1. Why we have assumed k:1? Because k:1 will simplify the question. Okay, it will be easy for us to get the values of coordinates and the ratios if we take the ratio as k:1, and if we take m1:m2 or m:n, then we will have 2 more unknowns. No, okay, in this case we will have only one unknown. Okay, k is unknown only, 1 is 1. Okay, so if we take the ratio as k:1, we have to find the value of only 1. And if we are taking the ratio as m1:m2, then we have to find the values of m1 also and m2. We have assumed the point of division as C and its coordinates x0, and the ratio of division we have assumed as k:1. Okay, so using section formula only, we have to find the ratio. This is the line segment joining the points A and B, and this is the x-axis. With dotted line I have drawn x-axis, and there is a point on x-axis which is dividing the line, the join of A and B, and this point is C. So its coordinate is x0. Okay, and the ratio of the division is k:1. k:1. Sorry, this is not k:1. This is k:1. Okay. Now, using section formula, coordinates of point C, which is x0, is given by kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1 and ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. This is the formula when we are taking ratio as k:1. Okay, ratio of division as k:1. Now, cx0, coordinates of C are k into x2. K into x2 is what? 4 plus x1 is what? 1. So k into x2 plus x1. x1 is 1 upon k plus 1. Then for y coordinate, k y2. This is y2. K into y2 is 5 plus y1. y1 is minus 5. Okay, upon k plus 1. k plus 1. Okay, now see, coordinates of point C x0 is equals to, this is minus 4k, this is minus 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1, and this is 5k minus 5, plus minus will become minus, so minus 5 upon k plus 1. Now see, if we equate the x coordinate, value of x coordinate, so x is equals to minus 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. We will have only one equation and 2 unknowns. Okay, like if I equate x equals to minus 4k plus 1 upon k plus 1. So see, this is one equation, this is the linear equation with 2 variables. X is also variable and k is also variable, means we have 2 unknowns. So we know and we have learned in the 3rd chapter that to get the values of 2 unknowns, we need 2 equations to be solved. But here with x and k we have only one equation. So this is of no use. Okay, we will equate 0, means we will equate y coordinate with its value from the formula. Y coordinate is 0. Y equals to 0 equals to value of y coordinate is 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. Okay, now if we transpose this k plus 1 to LHS, so it will be 0 into k plus 1. Multiplication of any number with 0 is 0. Okay, so this will become 0. So 0 is equals to 5k minus 5 we have here. Okay, 5k minus 5 we have. Now, if we transpose this 5 to LHS, we will have 5k is equals to 5. Then value of k is equals to 5 upon 5, which is 1. Hence, the required ratio which we have assumed was k is to 1, and value of k we have got 1, no? This is the value of k is what? 1. So, the required ratio is 1 is to 1. It means the x-axis, the point on x-axis is dividing the line segment joining A and B in a ratio of 1 is to 1. Okay, and the second part of the question, what we have to find? We have to find the coordinates of the point of division also. Point of division is what? X is 0 because it lies on x-axis. So we have to find its coordinates. Y is 0, this is known. We have to find the value of x coordinate only. Okay, the coordinates of point of division is cx0, and this is equals to this value. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Now we have got the value of k, no? We have got the value of k. We'll put the value of k for this. Okay, so cx0 is equals to minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 into 1. The value of k is 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1. K plus 1, value of k is 1. And y coordinate was 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. Okay, so here we have minus 4 into 1 plus 1, which is minus 4 plus 1. It will give us minus 3, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now for y coordinate, we know that y coordinate is 0, but still to verify I have written here the value from the formula. Okay, so 5 into y is 5 minus 5 upon 2. 5 minus 5 is cancelled out, so 0 upon 2 is 0. And this is minus 3 upon 2. Means x coordinate is minus 3 upon 2. And the coordinates of the point of division is minus 3 upon 2 and 0. Okay. In the next video we will solve question number 6, and question number 6 and 7 are a little bit similar. Okay. So I will be explaining